Good evening, guys. How are you? I hope you guys are doing very well, and welcome on this new video from XtremeTrader. This is Salah speaking. Today's video, I believe, is one of the very important videos in our channel. I have noticed that, and I'm very thankful and very honored, and it's a big pleasure for me that a lot of my followers, not only beginners and people who are learning Forex, but they are also, some of them are professional traders. I have seen a lot of professional traders, people who are in this business for 10 years, 15 years. They are following my channel. And I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you, guys. And it's really a big honor for me to be surrounded with such professional people like you. But there is one question that I'm receiving always on my Telegram and on my Facebook Messenger. Why are we still losing in Forex? This is the question. Some people who are trading in this business more than 3 years, some of them 5 years, and I have met one person in the global chat. He was trading in Forex for 10 years, and yet he's not able to make profit. And this is the question. What's wrong? Why are we still not able to make profit from Forex? Please allow me in this video to explain to you the 6 major reasons why people are still not able to make profit in Forex. Number 1, no daily target. Don't worry, guys, we will go to each reason one by one in detail. Number 1, no daily target. Number 2, can control self-emotions, aka revenge. They just revenge the market. Number 3, some days you will lose and you have to accept it. Number 4, bad money management. This will require a whole new video actually to explain to you the money management system we are going to use as XtremeTrader style. Sometimes you should not trade. Day trader? That's interesting. Number 6, and the most important part, growing account until when? Okay, so let's go to these reasons one by one. No daily target. What no daily target mean? No daily target meaning some traders, unfortunately, don't have a target of profit. When people are asking me about why are we still losing in Forex, I ask them one particular question. Just one question. What is your daily target profit? This is the first question anyone sending me a message telling me, Salah, why I'm still not able to make profit? I'm asking him this question. What is your daily target? And they just freeze. They say, we don't have any target. Then I tell him, then what do you do? He say, I just keep trading. And I'm telling him, okay, here we got your first problem. For example, guys, you have a $250. This is bad, hold on. Use this one, yeah. You have $250 in your trading account. Okay, so this is your investment. This is the amount you are going to start with. All right, so you are allowing yourself, this is the biggest mistake, you are allowing yourself for, let's say, $50 loss as maximum. Your brain is only concerned about the loss. Your brain is somehow deceived by this market. You are just believing that I'm only going to lose. I'm only going to lose. I will not make profit. I will trade Forex today. I'm allowing myself for $50 of loss, no more. Why? Why do you think that? The problem is you are controlling yourself to lose only $50, no more. But when we talk about the profit, it's infinite. It's no limited. It's like I'm just going to trade and trade and trade until I just can't stand up anymore. And that is the biggest mistake you can do in this business. You have to understand that you should have always a limit of loss and also limit of earning money, of profit. So, for example, for $250 investment, you can allow yourself for also a $50 profit. Once you reach this amount, shut down MetaTrader 4. MT4, shut down. Don't open Forex platform to trade anymore. You have to live with that. You cannot keep trading for infinity. You cannot keep trading for no target. If you keep doing that, in the end, you will of course wipe out your account. Please allow me to tell you something. I remember last year, I deposited $360, okay, in my trading account. I remember clearly that day I took this account to $596. All right. Then when I finished and I closed my trade, I just look at the number and $596. Okay, just $4 more. Come on, just $4 more, and this will be $600, and I will feel like I get almost 100% profit of my investment. That was very stupid decision, because instead of earning this $4, this $596 again became $360, and I simply wiped out all my profit that day. I just lost control of my emotions. Okay, that was last year, so I don't remember clearly what happened. I remember I entered one trade and then I lost $30, and then I was like, oh, come on, now I need the money. Okay, so I need now to make, instead of $4, I need now to make $34. And the losses kept coming, hitting me one after another, losing 50 here, losing 60, losing 20, and so on, until all my profit has just gone. Once I reached the amount that I began with, I remember I smashed something on my table. It's not here anymore. Something was on my table, I smashed it that day, and it may rest in peace now. So anyway, what I'm trying to tell you, you should know when to stop. Don't keep arguing with the market. Just allow yourself for daily profit. For example, if you start with $200, your maximum loss per day will be, let's say, $30. You will not lose more than that. If you will make ever profit, stop at $50. Stop at $50 profit. Stop it. Don't continue trading. If you finish and get this amount in one trade, then you don't have to trade the whole day. Finish. Shut down your PC, get out, walk with your dog, or go to the cinema, or whatever. Just stop trading. So once you reach the profit, you have to stop, completely stop. I know, guys, it's really hard. You are sitting on your bed and you are thinking about these millions, other million traders who are just still trading while you are missing all the money in your bed. I know the feeling. You are just laying on your bed. Millions of people are just making money in this time while you are just not making money. You are just leaving the market open for nothing. You are missing a lot of opportunities. Trust me. Just take your profit and shut down your PC. You don't have to keep trading the whole day. Trading is not about how many hours you trade. Trading is about how much you make. Once you reach your target, just close your trade. Sometimes I finish trading early in the morning. I finish my trading early in the morning sometimes, really. If there is some news, I will trade the news. I earn $100 or $150 from one news trading, and that's it. I will just shut down MT4, and I will go out with my friends, go for dinner, go for cinema, anywhere. So this is one particular subject that we have to discuss, is that you have to take you have to accept the daily target of profit. Number 2, can't control self-emotions, revenge. This is exactly the example I just told you about what happened to me last year when I had the $360 in my bank account. Once I lost, it was 596 as I said before, and that time I was really somehow off my mind to decide that I should reach $600 by any means, and I ended up wiping all my profit and going back to my investment. So don't revenge the market. If you see yourself losing and losing and losing, please allow me to say something. If you are losing a part of your profit, Accept it because you are still in profit. For example, you have $200 and you managed to make it $300. All right? So you have now $100 profit, right? All right, cool. Now let's say you want to trade it more. Let's say you have failed to set or to reach your daily target profit. Your daily target profit is $100, but you failed to control your emotions and you decided that no, I want to trade more. So you trade more. Let's say you lose 20 or $30. Now your profit has been reduced from 100 to $70. You have to accept it. You have to teach yourself now that, okay, now I have to completely stop. Don't trade anymore. Stop here. And now you finish the day with $70 of profit. Instead of finishing it with $100, you finished it with 70. Don't think about it as a loss. Don't say, "Oh no, today I lost 30." No, you are wrong. You started your account with $200 and you closed it with $270. Those $70 is profit. So once you keep losing trades, one trade after another, if you see yourself losing like 3 or 4 trades in sequence, that's meaning that the market is getting unstable. Something is wrong. Maybe you are tired. Your brain is tired. You are not able to analyze the market effectively as you started with. So you have to accept it. Don't be greedy. Don't let these $30 to blow your account. All right? So accept your loss, and remember, you are in the end of the day a trader. You are just buying and selling. It's normal. Sometimes you will lose, sometimes you will win. You have made $70 profit. Sorry, you have made $100 profit, but unfortunately in the end, you decided that you want to grow it a little bit more, but instead you decreased it to make it 70. Accept it. Don't be greedy. Don't ever think I want to make it 100 again. Let's go to the reason number 2. Some days you will lose, and this is very important. Sometimes you will lose. Just 1 second, guys. Yeah, talking about some days you will lose. Let me just bring here one example about XtremeTrader signals. As you can see, on 1st November, the signals were all in big profit. Very big profit, 460 pips, 1 day only of profit, without any loss, which is really outstanding. Great effort. Okay, good. But unfortunately, going back to the history, we can see that on October 4th, people who have joined that day, people who have joined on October 4th have lost a lot of money. The loss was big actually. We can see here it's nearly 400 pips maybe. I didn't do the counting, but it's about 400 pips loss. Some of them lost money that day. This is normal. I'm telling you guys, this is normal. For example, those who have joined October 1st, what happened? There was no loss at all, and they managed to get a great profit. Even those who joined on Wednesday, 3rd October, 3rd October, one loss only, but it was full of profit. But unfortunately, on 4th October, it was a loss. That is absolutely normal. So you cannot win every day. You have to accept it, guys. If you think day trader will be profiting every single day, then you are totally wrong. And to be honest, there is no way you can survive in this business if you think so. Believe me, guys, day traders, sometimes they don't trade. Sometimes, actually, they spend days without trading. Allow me to tell you here one example. If you go to Forex Factory, we can see here the news. For example, guys, you have to be able to analyze the market due the news. You have to check the global news, the economic news, political news. You have to be able to read the hidden message behind each and every event happening in this world. For example, Trump says US open to new Iran deal as sanctions set to return. In details, or in a brief, Trump here is talking about allowing 8 countries to buy oil from Iran. Now, what this will do to the oil prices? Oil prices will go down because Iran now is Trump is allowing Iran to sell oil to other 8 countries. He's removing the sanctions from Iran. So let's go to the oil prices. Let me show you what's going on. If we open the oil prices, crude oil, you can see, guys, this is daily chart, and we can see the oil prices is just sinking and sinking like there is no tomorrow. How is this affecting us now? It's affecting the dollar as well. If we go to the dollar, as you know, the dollar, if the dollar go up, the oil will go up, the oil will go down, and the opposite. So checking the USD dollar the index, if we check the USD dollar currency index, we can see that the dollar is actually going up, unlike the oil. So you have to be careful, guys, to the news. You have to accept it. Sometimes or some days you cannot trade. You have to be careful, and you have to check the news to see if the market is stable. You have to be sure if there is no world event happening, no economic news going to hit the market. Let's go to the calendar, for example. This was the current week. Let's go to the next week, and let's see this, guys. For example, let me just take a look here. Actually, next week seems not that bad, but there are some high impact news we can expect on the market. Just looking here, 12 a.m. NZD. I can just see 1:30 p.m. on Friday. The pound might take a pretty good hit. GDP, M&M. This usually make a big impact in the market, and you have to be careful that day to trade only the news. You have to trade the pound in news. Don't trade, for example, Euro GBP, buy or sell randomly. You have to pay attention. You have to be careful to these news. Always, guys, open this calendar. Check what's upcoming news ahead and put it in your calendar. What I'm doing every Friday or Saturday is I open my calendar on my phone and I just look at the high impact news and I set it on the reminder. So it will remind me 15 minutes ahead that AUD CPI, be careful, don't trade. And this is what I do. I just, the alarm will tell me to be careful now. After 15 minutes, there is some big news hitting the NZD. If I am in a trade of NZD, I will immediately exit it. Bad money management, and we will talk about this on another video. Just let me talk to you about that in brief. I'm sure, guys, you have noticed something on my MetaTrader. I don't want to open it now. Maybe you noticed, guys, that my account is always below 1,000. I'm sure a lot of you thinking, how come this Salah Issam, the guy who is teaching us Forex, why his account is always like $400 or sometimes $1,200, but never seen like a $10,000, $50,000. Why your account is not growing up to these numbers? I will come back to this section later on the growing account until when. But anyway, bad money management, that we will talk about it in different video. Sometimes you should not trade. I think we have explained this on some days you will lose. So yeah, let me just tell you another thing. Day traders, actually, I have seen that one of the some of the most successful traders, they don't trade for weeks. These people, they avoid trading for weeks. They are only entering the very secure trades, and they have their own strategy. They have their own money management system that they just want to make big hit or no hit. They just want to make big profit or no profit. They spend days, weeks, sometimes months without trading. I heard that Warren Buffett don't trade for months actually, and once he make a trade, he earns millions of dollars once he see the big opportunity he's waiting for. I don't buy that. I don't believe that. I don't believe it actually, no. But anyway, I'm trying to tell you here, day traders do not trade every single day. Now let's go to the hot subject here. Growing account until when? Good that you asked me this. Growing account until when? For example, you have $200, all right? And you made it to $1,000. Let's say in 1 week, you were managed, of course, with a very bad money management, you were able to risk the $200 and to make it into $1,000. Okay, so you have grown up your account. Okay, the question is until when? What is your target? This is money. This is dollars. This is your income. When are you going to withdraw? You will tell me I'm not going to withdraw. I will just keep growing my account. And I will just say good luck. Because what you will do next? This $1,000, maybe you will make it $1,500. Now you are in big profit. The 200 has now become $1,500. Okay, when are you going to withdraw? I'm not going to withdraw. I will just keep trading. Okay, good luck. So again, the $1,500 now will become $3,000. Dude, come on, withdraw your money. What you will do? This is your money. At least do something. Sorry, no, I'm going to keep trading. And in the end, this $3,000, since you got greedy and you managed to make the $200 to become 1,000, then 1,500, then in the end, 3,000, you will enter another trade and boom, all your profit will be gone. You will be back to $500, for example. You lost 2,500 for nothing. So what happened here? What happened is you didn't accept the Forex rules that some days you will lose. You kept growing your account without any target. You did not have a target when you started your trade system. You started with 200, you managed to make 1,000, then 1,500, then 3,000. Until when? When are you going to withdraw this money? And for what? Why are you keep trading bigger amounts? Why you are not securing your profit? Let me explain to you my own money management, and not money management, I mean what am I doing? For example, I invest $300, all right? Once I make it, for example, a $400, what I will do is $100 to be withdrawn. I will put it in my bank, in my Skrill. Now the account is back to 300 and the 400 is no more. Now what happened? Think guys, from the $300 I have made another 100 and I made a profit of $100. Now I have left $200 to recover my investment. So in the next days, for example, this $300, I will make it $450. Okay? Now what I will do is I will withdraw 50 in my bank account. Now the account will remain to be 400. So what happened now is $200 pure profit I have made so far. $150 I have made profit so far from my investment, meaning I made 50%. I made 50% profit of my investment. Next day, I will trade this $400. I will make it, if I can, to 500. Let's say $550. Okay. Now what I will do is I will withdraw again 150. Keep withdrawing. I just keep withdrawing my profit. That's why you can see my Skrill always active. There is always money income. I am making money in trading and there is money coming to my pocket. So what happened now? Now, the result, the total result is I have a $400 in my trading account, of course, after withdrawing 150. The final result after 1 week is I have $400 in my account plus I have 300 in my bank. Meaning the 300 I started with, slowly, I took back my investment and now I have $400 profit. Okay, so this is a big mess here. Let's summarize that. The 300 now become 400 and the 300 is back to me, to Salah. Okay, I took back my investment. So now I have $400 in my account and that is a pure profit. I made that out of nothing, out of $300 of course, but I mean $400 just came from my trades. This is the magic, this is the beauty about trading Forex. The $400 is only a profit. Now I can trade this peacefully. Let's say if the next day I lose $100, which might happen by the way. I'm not claiming to be the best trader in the world. Sometimes you can lose $100. Now my profit, guys, careful. Don't say I lose $100. I say my profit reduced by $100 and now my profit reduced from $400 to $300. That is what my brain, that's how I'm thinking. I'm thinking that this is a pure profit. My investment, my own investment, my actual investment is safe in my pocket. The $400 is at completely profit paid to me by the broker. I am going to trade this amount. The broker paid me this amount, and if I lost it, it's back to the broker. Most important for me, what I'm focusing on is my investment to be safe, which is back to my pocket. So the next day, I might reach this account to be $450, and after that, I can start enjoying the actual profits. Now the 450, I will withdraw $200. I will withdraw that to secure the profit in my pocket. So my investment now is back to my pocket plus the profit of $200 also in my pocket, yet there is still $250 in my account available for trading, and so on and so on. That's why you don't see me, guys, growing my account to thousands and tens of thousands, because I know one day I might lose my emotions, because in the end I'm a human being. Okay, in the end I'm just normally a human being like all of you. I will lose to my emotions, and for sure I will lose and wipe my account. The experience has taught me this. Don't be greedy. Always have a daily target of profit. Don't exceed it. Once you reach your daily target, get out, stop trading. It's not a professionalism to be trading the whole day, to sit in front of your computer for 10 hours, 15 hours, just trading. Your brain cannot accept all of that process. Your brain cannot analyze the market for that long time. You have to be able to trade only for 3-4 hours maximum per day and get out. Accept the small profit and get out. So guys, this was my small advices for you all. If you want to start making money from Forex, and if you want to start enjoying this business, and I really wish you all, guys, to start enjoying this business. No more losses, hopefully, and please stay tuned. Some more very entertaining and very educative video are about to come soon in this channel. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.